Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. It's a great day to be a Nikon photographer because now through the end of the week, you can save $400 on the Nikon Z5 and the new super compact 28 to 75 2.8 you can save $300 on. So on this camera and lens outfit you can save $700 now through Saturday. That's an amazing deal. Wait, I hear something.
Speedy delivery.
Oh my gosh, what do we got here? We've got the brand new Nikon compact 17 to 28 millimeter wide angle lens for the Z system. Do you guys want to see it? Do we open the box here? What do you think? All right, so what are we going to do? Come on in close, let's take a look at this. We're going to do the box opening right here live. This lens is $11.99. I can't believe this. For a 2.8 wide angle lens. So I'm opening the box. There's the instruction book and warranty card. Opening further. So here is the case and the lens shade. And I love this. All cardboard packaging. So it's 100% recyclable. I love that. And oh my God, look at that. What do you think, Jerry? Right? That's super cool, isn't it? Look at, there's the 17 to 28 millimeter 2.8 lens for the Nikon Z, right? This is the new compact lightweight series. So they've got two of the three Trinity lenses available in the compact series. 17 to 28 2.8, $11.99. The 28 to 75 2.8, $11.99, but it's on sale this week for $300 off. Holy cow about that. So if you're looking to get into Nikon Z, or if you want to get into 2.8 photography for a reasonable amount of money, there's no better way to do it than this. And so 17 to 28, wide angle lens, great for interiors, for scenics. So if you're a real estate photographer, landscape photographer, big family group photographer, this is the lens for you. I can't believe it. So what else you got to say? Any questions? I think we're all good here. What a simple, fun day for a Tuesday here at Paul's Photo. Mark Coleman wishing everyone a great day. Come on down, take advantage of these hot deals while they last, because they will be gone before you know it.